Adding freight charges to a repair order. Some features discussed in this video are not available in all the editions of MaxxTraxx. Please visit scottsystems.com for comparisons between the different versions. Handling and charging freight in MaxxTraxx can be accomplished several ways. Some shops use a special labor charge, and others build it into the cost and sale of the part. The best way to bill out and track freight or shipping charges, however, is to treat them like a sublet labor. For this example, we'll charge out shipping fees associated with an ordered part. Open the repair order that you want to put the shipping charges on. In this example, we've ordered a part from the dealer, but there will be a shipping charge associated with it. Highlight the labor operation and click either the Sublets button, or right-click the line, then click Add, then Sublet Labor Service. When the Sublets window opens, find the shipping or freight labor and either double-click on it or highlight it and click the Select button. This opens the Sales Detail window. In this screen, you can edit the description, put in the cost you are paying, and the price you'll be charging your customer. Be sure to mark the taxable box if sublet labor is taxable in your area. When you are finished with the details, click OK. Back at the repair order, both the part and the shipping charges show a low stock warning and need to be ordered and accounted for. Click on the Order Parts button. When the parts ordering window opens, select the part and shipping, then click Next. Select the vendor you are purchasing the part from, then click the Select button. I have my system set to ask to use the RO number as the purchase order number. After reviewing the parts order, click the OK Save, then whether or not you want to print the parts order. Please note that when you have MaxxTraxx set up to not add buyout parts to inventory and the shipping sublet labor to not require restocking, you will not have to use the parts order screen. When the part arrives, click on the Parts drop-down, then the Purchase Orders button. Find the open purchase order related to the shipping charges and highlight it. From here you can click the Edit button or double-click the line to view the purchase order, or click on the button that states Convert Selected Parts Order into a Received Vendor Invoice to accept the part and the invoice. Once the vendor invoice screen opens, type the amount of the invoice you received. You will then see the part and freight both billed out on the invoice. Simply close out the purchase order like you normally would to clear the low stock warning on the repair order. There may be times you did not know there would be shipping charges on a part order. MaxxTraxx makes it easy to add those to the repair order as well. When you're in the purchase order screen, highlight the parts purchase order, then click on the button to convert the parts order. Fill in the amount of the invoice you received, including the shipping charge, and click Save. Click on the Add Line Item button and then choose From Sublet Labors List. Find the shipping charges line and click Select. Back at the Sublet screen, fill in the cost of the shipping charges. We'll add the sale price later. Click on the radio button next to Reserve Item for Repair Order Number and then click the Select button. Select the repair order to charge the freight on and click the Save button. Now close the vendor invoice like you normally would, adding the vendor invoice number. You will get a reminder to add the charge to the repair order once you click the OK Save button. Find and open the repair order. You will get another warning window about the shipping charges not being on the RO. Go ahead and close that warning window. In the repair order, highlight the labor line, then either right-click on the line and select Add, then From Parts Sublets on Order, or click the Parts button and choose the same option. Tag the shipping charges line, then click on the Edit Quantity and Price button. This is where you'll put in the price to your customer. Click OK when done. Click OK again to put the shipping charges onto the repair order. In certain cases, you may not want to pass shipping charges on to a customer. In that situation, open the parts order and click the Convert Parts Order box like you normally would. Type in the target amount, including the shipping charges. Instead of adding a sublet labor line, enter the shipping charges in the freight box to the left of the window. This method will move the shipping charges to an expense account and not pass them on to your customer. Finish converting the invoice to clear the low stock parts on the repair order. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.